explain you mesh topology. So this is the mesh topology. Each node connected with each other. So this is the connections of the mesh topology. So in Cisco Packet Tracer, we will be connecting in this way. So here also we will be using switch here, the 295024. So it has the more ports like 24. So now we will be implementing in Cisco Packet Tracer. So here go to network devices, select switch here. Now take a 295024 switch here. Now connect it. Yeah. Now take a end devices here. Now connect the connections. Same devices means crossed wire, cross through. Different devices means straight through connection. In this, each node connected to every node of this network. So connect here. So now assign a IP address to each device. So go here config. Go to desktop IP config 1.0.0.1. So enter this. Assign this as 2. Now this is as 3. This is a 4. This is a 5. Yeah. Now it is done. Now switch into simulation mode. Select a packet. First delete pass. Now select a packet from here to here. Now run simulation here. Here in progress. We can forward these steps by clicking this button. You see, it is done, successfully done. So as previously I told you, here we can go to command prompt. Here we can check whether connection is established or not. Ping 1.0.0.1, enter. Here it will take time to display for minimum 5 minutes of time. I will wait. I will pause the video. So it is taking a lot of time. It will take nearly 15 minutes. So I will show you how it will be displayed. So this the command prompt will be look like this. You have to wait. This will get up. Yeah. So now we are done with mesh topology.